Mike had my car cleaned for me a little while ago, and then we had a mountain biking race. Awesome. So I got the Ryobi wet dry vac and tested out. Some of you laugh. Yes, it's like my crazy machete knife, but it's the best box knife. I always use it. So I'm gonna put it together and see how well it cleans this car. Took me just a few minutes. It wasn't hard. Just had to read the directions. So if you're intimidated by buying yourself your very own shop vac, because you don't think you can put it together, if I can, anyone can. And the nice thing about this piece is that it runs off of the power of all the other Ryobi tools that I have, so that I don't have to plug it in. So I'm really excited about that. I really get frustrated. I'm trying to clean my car in previous shop vacs I've had, and I need a super long cord to get to the vacuum to the car. So I don't have to with this. It's really light to carry. See, it's compact. You can put all the little things in here. I actually kept the directions right here for myself. Clip these off, and you can use it for wet or dry. So now I'm just gonna go plug in my battery, clean out that front seat. Not having a cord, it seriously is making me so happy. So just take it, check this out, boom. It's already on, this is awesome. Boom, just like that. Here, we'll do this guy first. Okay, yes, look how nice. That was awesome. Hands down, my most favorite thing is no cord. I love that this is just rechargeable and it works with my Ryobi batteries. It's the 18 volt. Anyway, this thing is awesome. So now we're going to attack this.